Stop doing this. It's silently keeping you broke. Hey, it's Zach, and today we're calling out 4 toxic money habits you need to quit right now. 1. Lifestyle upgrading every time you earn more. Got a raise? New phone, better car, fancier dinners. If your income goes up but your savings don't, you are stuck. 2. Ignoring small expenses. It's just $5. That $5 coffee daily, that's over $1,800 a year.
This is a serious warning.
Small leaks sink big ships. 3. Minimum payments only. Paying just the minimum on credit cards, that's how banks get rich, not you. 4. No clear plan. No budget, no goals, just vibes. If you don't tell your money where to go, it disappears. Money isn't about earning more, it's about managing better.
If this sounds like you, you're probably the money genius in your group. I'm Zach, and here's one big difference between you and them. You think long-term. 1. You don't spend just because everyone else is spending. When they upgrade phones, you ask, do I really need it? 2. You check prices before buying, not because you're cheap, but because you're smart. 3. You actually know where your money goes every month. They guess, you track. 4. You save first, then spend what's left. They spend first and hope something's left. 5. You avoid debt unless it builds your future. They use credit for vibes. 6. You think about 5 years from now, not just Friday night. And secretly, you'd rather build freedom than impress people. That's it. Being financially smarter isn't about making more, it's about thinking differently. If this is you, you're ahead already.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Make sure to turn on the bell icon so you never miss any of my new videos.